this video, I wanted to give a breakdown on a awesome system that I've actually been a part of. And by the way, if you're new to my channel, my name is Sanjeev, and on this channel, I create videos, everything got to do with starting and running and also scaling your online presence and also business model. And you also want to be going down and clicking the link to be able to subscribe to this channel, because I put valuable content like this on a day-to-day daily basis. Okay, so what I'll be talking about in this video is this awesome system which is called the growth community. And a lot of people are actually just getting a lot of success, right? And you probably are also doing your due diligence. You probably want to know if this is the right fit for you, if this is the right business model for you, because someone you actually probably found on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, or even YouTube videos, but they're telling you, yes, this is good, but if you actually just join them, then that's how they actually make money, right? So in this video, I'll be doing a one-to-one breakdown on what I think about this actual business model and system, so you can actually go out there and decide if this is the right fit for you, right? So this business model has been very popular, going on strongly for, I believe, 1.5, 2 years, right? Going very strong. There's a lot of members actually joining this community, right? And they teach you methods like you got to do TikTok, you got to do pretty much you building your own brand, right? And you're going to be uploading videos on YouTube. But it's not, if you're not comfortable on in front of the camera, you can just post ads on different platforms that they give you access to, right? There's like hundreds of different platforms you can actually post ad on, right? So copy paste. So if you know how to copy paste, you can actually do this business and run this business successfully, right? But the way I actually run this awesome system is through a automated what we call marketing, right? And pretty much I'll go out there, and because I don't have that much time in the day, I don't have time to create videos and stuff like that, right? I don't want to be pumping videos every single day on TikToks. It's just not my thing. So what I do simple email marketing, okay? And the power of email marketing is huge, and a lot of people are making a lot of money using email marketing, right? And I've been using email marketing to actually grow my business. There's another system I was actually part of, and I'm still part of. They used to pay me residual income, right? And I was actually building that using email marketing, right? Simple emails that I've actually sent people, and that's how I'm actually making ongoing residual commission with that system. And also at the same time, I'm also growing my list, which is awesome, because if you want to have a long-term sustainable business, especially in the online space, you need to be building your audience, which is not on social media platform. You need to take those audience, and you got to be building your list, what we call, right? So which is where email marketing comes into place, right? So, and simply what we're doing is we're tapping into someone else's email list, right? We siphoning someone else's email subscribers to our own list. And the process actually goes that they send a simple email to their subscribers, and when they click on that link, they go to our funnel. That's where we capture people's email, right? What we call a squeeze page. Some people call it landing page, right? So that's how we actually capturing people's email. And when they come into our system, the automated email starts sending them emails on an automated basis, right? So and I have access to this kind of traffic from different vendors, right? Different brokers. I can go and ask them how I actually can buy their traffic and pretty much utilize their audience that they've actually built over time, right? Which is very simple and easy. And with this method, you don't need to have that many subscribers when you first started. But you do need a little bit of budget to get started, so that way you can actually get the ball running, get that consistent sales going, right? And what I'm actually talking about is solo ads, which is an awesome way you can actually build a list, and also at the same time be able to monetize that list. And this is a long-term asset that you're going to be having regardless of what business model you do, regardless of what company you join. But the reason I love the digital growth community is because they pay instant income. So that way I don't have to wait 2 or 3 weeks to actually get the payment, right? I get the payment straight away, which is awesome. So that way I can put that more into traffic and keep doing the cycle over and over again, right? So what I'm actually giving out to my people who actually join this awesome system through me, I give them a lot of bonus, right? So the bonus includes I give them my traffic vendors that I use, and how I'm actually doing this email marketing successfully to be able to build a ongoing business model using this actual system, right? All done by email marketing. A lot of people actually doing email marketing, but they're not even profitable using email marketing systems, because of the Gmail and Google update recently. A lot of things have actually changed. So if you're not doing it the right way, you're not going to be making any money. So if you want to know more about how I'm actually doing this email marketing, and also learn a little bit about my story, and also the success that I've actually had with my online business, you can click on the first link in the description, check it out, and you also be receiving a valuable email from me, so that way you can actually decide if this is the system for you or not, right? So again, I'll talk to you in the next upcoming video where I'll be showing you inside and what you're actually gonna get. And I'm really excited for this system. And if you're just sitting in the fence, get off the fence, because this is a life-changing opportunity. It truly is. And I've actually tried a lot of different things. This is truly a life-changing opportunity. So again, thank you so much. If you have any questions, you can put in the comment section below, so I'll be more than happy to answer for you. Thank you so much. My God bless you, and bye.